Hello friends, so today we are going to create this sprint and you will see the animation for this sprint. I hope you enjoy. So let's start. Choose front plane, escape, choose line and draw simple line from origin vertical line. Okay, select, then assign dimension, give 125. Okay, choose front plane again, escape, choose circle, draw a circle. Okay, assign dimension, give this dimension 6 diameter. Okay, assign the relation between this origin and center, give 20. Okay, so it is still underdefined because there is no relation between this center circle and origin. Select origin and center circle, make it horizontal. Okay, so now it is fully defined. Then exit. So go to Swift boss base. The profile is already selected and select this line. Okay, path. So go to option. You see, have flow path and you have this profile twist. Select this specific twist value. Okay, then degree, select revolution, then choose revolution 11. Okay, you see. Okay, so you see, so the next step, so choose this sketch, then select solid sketch. Okay, so go to reference, select plane, select this sketch and select this endpoint. Okay, see, then say okay. Go to cut with surface. Okay, you see, choose reverse direction. Okay, plane already selected and say okay. So you see how this end surface is cut. So select this plane, hide. Okay, so plane to bottom, so choose, go to surface, choose cut with surface. Okay, plane already selected, then say okay. You see, look, this also cuts. Okay, then assign appearance. And save. New folder, spring, animation. Okay, path spline. Okay, new path. Okay, so we go to top plane, escape, choose center rectangle, start from origin. Okay, assign dimension, give this one 80 millimeter. Okay, then select this side, alt config this one, make the relation of equally. Okay, make them equal. Okay, so go to features, extrude both base from sketch profile, plane is okay, direction blind okay, so thickness give 10, it's fine. Okay, so okay, choose this face normal, go to sketch, choose circle. Okay, so add dimension, give this one 46. Okay, okay, so we are going to cut this one, go to features, extrude cut a half of thickness, choose 5. Okay, then say okay, add some more appearance. Okay, save, go to save this part, save as stand 1. Okay, save, go to new part, choose assembly. Okay, so first bring stand. Okay, before position, go to this one and choose origin. Okay, you see it is moved with origin, and if we bring this one, it is going to be concentric. Okay, you see insert component, bring spline. Okay, it's fine. So select this face, rotate, choose mate, this one, mate with coincident. Okay, so select the line and mate with this one, mate with concentric. Okay, so fine. Okay, so let's hide this origin. Okay, so go to insert component, bring stand. Okay, before place, go to this direction, click 1 and 2 direction. Okay, let's say okay, select this face, mate with this one, make it coincident. Okay, so, see, select this one and this one. Okay, Okay, so just drag up position. Okay, you see. So before I do anything, let's save this. We breathe and save assembly spring animation. Let's save. Select the spring, edit paths. Okay, select this spring, move to this swift, you see, sketch. Okay, choose edit sketch. Okay, then select it. Okay, so go to add directions. This point, this one, make it coincident. Okay, exit and exit this one. Okay, look, so go to motion study. Just drag this arrow up to 2 seconds. So select this face, brings up to middle. Okay, and again go to this up to 4 seconds, and then drag this up to upward. Okay, so then select calculate. You see it is going to calculate it slowly. Okay, select back to mode. Okay, then play from the start. See, this is simple animation of spring. You see, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So friends, thank you.